Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Meitu app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will click here in this window of Meitu app as you see, and you will click. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.